Increasing global demands for food, energy, and material goods are putting unprecedented pressure on our planet. And at the heart of all these things lies water. But water is a vulnerable resource, making its security imperative to a flourishing society. At the Caterpillar Foundation, we believe that nature and people can thrive on this planet together. That's why we support water conservation and management efforts around the world through our partners. Grounded and guided by science, these solutions are restoring and protecting the land and water on which all life depends. Because when nature thrives, people thrive.